We have now learned Senate Banking Committee Chairman Christopher Dodd has dropped a plan for a compromise amendment on derivatives regulation. Bloomberg's Megan Hughes has been following the financial reform debate on Capitol Hill. So, Megan, what are you hearing? Explain this latest development.
Well, you know, good afternoon. The banks have been protesting and fighting this provision that's in this bill tooth and nail that essentially bans banks from trading in derivatives. Senator Chris Dodd had proposed an amendment yesterday that would have delayed that ban by 2 years. But at this hour, with just 1 hour left before a critical test vote, it does not look like that amendment is going to be picked up. So here's what's in the bill as it stands right now. Again, it would ban banks from derivatives trading. Now, that is a provision that was sponsored by Arkansas Senator Blanche Lincoln. She says we really need to wall off deposits from these risks. It would also require derivatives to be traded on an exchange, and it would push them through one clearinghouse. Now, a lot of regulators have come out against this. 5 major banks all come out against this. Some of those regulators, FDIC Chair Sheila Bair, Fed Chair Ben Bernanke, and former Fed Chair and Obama advisor Paul Volcker. Now, earlier today, we heard from Republican Senator Judd Gregg, who railed against this on the Senate floor.
The way the derivatives language of this bill has evolved is that it just gets worse and worse and worse in a almost incomprehensible and irrational way that is rather surreal. It's almost as if we were at the Mad Hatter's Tea Party, the way that this derivatives language is evolving.
Now, Senator Dodd, again, had proposed this amendment that would have delayed that ban by 2 years. It also would have set up a regulatory council to study it. But as of this hour, it does not look like that Dodd amendment is going to be picked up. It did get some pushback from Wall Street industry groups who had said that derivatives contracts are between 2 to 5 years. So it actually would have pushed some of those contracts overseas.
All right, Megan, what is the outlook overall for final passage of reg reform?
The Democratic staffers that I talked to say they are confident they've got the 60 votes to pass this. Again, we've got a cloture vote coming up. That's a test vote in just an hour. That would set up final passage for the end of the week.